Hi, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We are here looking at some of Clary's puppies and some of Faith's puppies. I put them together. I wish I can separate them, but they're sleeping right now. So here they are, bundle of joy right there. And there's another one right there. So the black ones are Clary's, and they're 8 weeks. And just so you know, there's Terry. They're over 10 pounds, the black ones. Because someone, I'm not even going into it. But and then they're 8 weeks, and the silver ones are 5 weeks old. And those are Faith's puppies. So there they are. Cuties, cuties. I have one male and one female from the silver, and one male and one female from the black. So if you're interested, let me know. Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs, signing off, and God bless.